Hi everyone, thanks for your time to join the webinar. Today, bear with me. Today we're gonna talk about the EnSky solution, and also the SkyKey on-premise controller we just launched a month ago, and also the SkyKey Easy Master user interface. We're gonna go over really quick. So EnSky solution. So if you guys go to our website, you go to the solution page, you can see EnGenius have a cloud and also called EnSky on premise solution. So the cloud solution, if you join our cloud webinar last month, you will know we just launched the cloud. It's like pure cloud solution, managed 100% by cloud. And everything else, this belong EnSky on premise solution. I'm gonna talk about a little bit on the EnSky on premise solution later. So what's the EnSky? So EnSky is an on-premise Wi-Fi 6 network solution for any size business that they manage, plug and play, hassle-free wireless network for their customer. So basically, EnSky let you build, deploy, and monitor a powerful management indoor and outdoor wireless network that can integrate with on-premise or multiple site remote network. So, excuse me, whether you have small office, large office, geographically diverse enterprise, EnSky hardware and software can meet your business needs or requirement. So, EnSky Wi-Fi 6, we support provide excellent future proofing for the business. If your business increase number of network device, excuse me, it's better network connection and stronger capability. So the combination of EnSky hardware and software allow any size business with any size deployment. So extend their WAN to both sides, their premise and outside their outdoor. So EnSky solution include a variety of indoor and outdoor access point devices. You can see if you go to our website, you will see the EnSky on premise. We have Pro version, and we have a indoor Pro, outdoor Pro, and just regular EnSky and EnSky outdoor. So EnSky solution including indoor, outdoor, and provide connection with various device to your Wi-Fi network. And it support mesh. You can mesh together and provide the access and performance for your whole network. So the AP can deploy as a standalone, and also the managed by any EnSky solution management platform like an EasyMaster or SkyKey or even the switch controller. And we also have EnGenius have a mMesh or mobile app. You can use the app to manage all your device. Excuse me. EnSky manage gigabit power over Ethernet PoE Plus network switch. It provide enterprise level, simplified network configuration, monitoring, and robust management option. So you can see we have 8 all the way to 24 port here. 8 excuse me, 8 all the way to 48 port here. So each switch is a full feature layer 2 platform capable of manage up to 50 EnGenius access point. So the PoE budget from 60 watt all the way to 740 watt. It really depends on your need for how many device you have a PoE capable device need to draw the power from the switch. So EnSky software, along with its hardware piece, the EnSky Wi-Fi solution also comes with the management and monitoring software and the application for better control and provisioning of your Wi-Fi network. So as most of you may already familiar with EasyMaster. EasyMaster is an ingenious, flexible, highly scalable Wi-Fi network management system. So basically, EasyMaster allow you to easily add a new Wi-Fi component such as AP or switch to the network and provide a single pane of glass for monitoring and configuration of the Wi-Fi network. So EasyMaster also allow your Wi-Fi to grow as your business grow. So it can manage handful of devices up to 1,000 plus on the unlimited number of the network. Excuse me. The N-Wi-Fi app facilitates the initial quick setup for the AP or the group of AP before, so they can be added to the management system. So once you power up the AP, it broadcasts a specific management SSID for connection. So the N-Wi-Fi app user can match the MAC address to the corresponding SSID, and then you can add to the management software. So once a single AP is added, it can be used to discover any further APs that use a similar configuration to make a group add fast and simple. So next you can see another software called Easy Wi-Fi Planner. So Easy Wi-Fi Planner let user import floor plan or area map and says specify scale that match the distance where Wi-Fi will be deployed. So once confirmed, Easy Wi-Fi Planner provide a tool that allow you to place the AP models and simulate potential obstacle that can affect signal strength. So Easy Wi-Fi Planner then graphically display the coverage heat map visualization to help business effectively set up and plan their Wi-Fi network. So EnSky, here's a summary of EnSky benefit. The simple deployment. Using a plug and play solution, and EnSky allow you to quick set up, manage your Wi-Fi network with no hassle, minimal ramp up time, and easy management. EnSky uses intuitive centralized platform to configure, monitor, and manage entire network remotely by web or on mobile app. Excuse me. And scalability. So as your business grow, EnSky scale up to 5,000 AP and a single site across different geographically location. So this means EnSky easily expand the functionality and coverage to meet the growing need. Flexible option. So EnSky also including a variety AP like I mentioned in the previous slide. The management option to meet any on-site requirement, including local mixed network, like I just say, geographically diverse deployment. So it allows you to deploy your network in multiple ways. Strong security. So EnSky deploy completely on premise, and we also implement the WPA3 certified security standard to provide worry-free security. So as you may know the WPA2, but WPA3 is built on WPA2 standard for better encryption strengths. So it's more robust, authentication, and safer network. So this ensures that only authorized devices are on the network. So using the data encryption, EnSky keep managed data secure. So why the AP stream over the network between the device. Cost effective. So EnSky guarantee the performance, of course, with remote access, software update, and tech support, including with no additional fee or licensing charge. So there are no hidden costs to expanding your deployment. That's kind of quick overview for the EnSky. And now we're gonna talk about the SkyKey. So the SkyKey, what's the challenge of network management? You can see a lot of IT manager, they kind of the challenge they always encounter is how to manage their network. So it's very inconvenience. It's a time consuming and really complicated installation process. And in addition to that is complex management and monitoring interface. So with no intuitive interface or technical expertise or training is required, IT manager or administrator spending hours or days setting up the device. Excuse me. So in addition to that, some controller require dedicated server with maintenance and need advanced knowledge and user rights. So the cost, a lot of competitor, their controller, they require high cost network controller, and you have to pay the licensing fee, a subscription fee per device per year, and not just that, and the server upgrade and maintenance costs also including. Not scalable. So network controller are limited to the number of the managed device. Like our big competitor, their controller can only up to 50 device. And sometimes you need another appliance in the network, so it's not really scalable. Not flexible. So some controller restrict to the on-premise only, and some controller restrict to cloud only. So that's all the challenge, all the issue the IT professional always encounter. So the solution, EnGenius offer the solution SkyKey on-premise controller. So the EnGenius SkyKey controller is a simple hardware device that can extend your existing network to discoverable indoor and outdoor access point, and also the switch. So with the built-in Easy Master, the EnGenius SkyKey controller transfer plain LAN and WLAN into managed Wi-Fi with up to 100 APs and switch. Excuse me. So SkyKey does not require a dedicated computer or virtual machine to control. So from any computer on the local WAN, you can simply access SkyKey from a single place to view status analytics of each device. So SkyKey also allow you to perform administrative tasks for both wired and wireless device. Again, it requires no complex installation or integration, so simply just plug and play. Instead of spending hours to set up the device, SkyKey is running with a minute instead of hour and day. So all the software and integration automatically installed. There's no need additional download. So SkyKey is designed for convenience management. So the Easy Master network management software allow administrative to config and monitor with an intuitive interface. So no technical expertise or training is required, just few clicks. And SkyKey, as you can see the user interface here, provide a single place to view the status analytics up to 100 devices. You can dig in down to identify the root cause is hard work. But it's essential. So you can easily troubleshoot and resolve issue from the network management interface. Excuse me. So SkyKey is on-premise network management. Giving full control over the managed network. But it can be accessible from our EnGenius cloud portal. So if you have multiple SkyKey, you can register SkyKey into the cloud, and you can through the cloud you can access the SkyKey. But keep in mind, SkyKey can manage EnSky hardware. SkyKey cannot manage cloud, our EnGenius cloud hardware. So the SkyKey hardware, I want to talk a little bit about that. The SkyKey is an integrated powerful computer and software controller. So it features the Qualcomm quad-core processor with 1 gig RAM and operating the latest version of Easy Master network management software. So you can see this is compact size. SkyKey can fit in small space. It can be arranged in many different configurations, including you can staking or side by side. So the magnetic backing ensure the device always securely on the side of the server rack of top on the switch. And we also have an SD card. You can back out the SkyKey configuration to the micro SD card. And here is the support model. It's all EnSky hardware, all the EWS, EAP, ENS, ENH, and Instalation series. So here is a SkyKey key benefit summary. Again, it's very convenient. With its compact size, the SkyKey can fit a small space, like I just mentioned, and you can staking or side by side. And it's efficiency. SkyKey provides single place to view status and manage up to 100 devices. So with its detailed analytics, administrator view all the data at a single location. It can make informed business decision. Simplicity. Again, it requires no complex installation or integration. Simply plug and play. Instead of spending hours to set up, you can just run it in within minutes. Security. We talk about the WPS3 and the SkyKey is installed at each deployment site on premise. The device offer always on secure single sign-on service. Flexibility. So IT manager or administrator can choose direct on-premise network management that give you full control over the managed network. Excuse me. So SkyKey also allow administrator to use a combination, like I just mentioned. You can use SkyKey to manage on-premise access point and the switch, and also you can register to the cloud. So the cloud can access SkyKey. So now I'm gonna go over the Easy Master user interface really quick. I just wanna give you a basic idea what's the interface look like. So if you log in, the SkyKey device, the default IP address is 192.168.1.250. So if you plug into the switch, it's a PoE. So if you have PoE switch, just plug in and the device is running. So, but if you don't have PoE switch, you can always get a power adapter, 12 volt voltage 1 amp power adapter. Excuse me. So once you log in, the first thing you need to do is register your account. So basically, just put your name, password, and email address to register your account. So once you register, you can go to the project. On the right side, you can see on the project. You can create a new project. And once you create a new project, simply just plug the AP into the switch or into the network. So the SkyKey is auto discovering, auto provisioning. You can see the screen on here that it discover the AP automatically. Simply check the box and click add to add into the Easy Master. So once the device being add into the project, you can see on the device name is the highlight in the blue. You can simply just click for example, this is a motel internet. You just simply click the device name. Excuse me, and then you can do all the configuration like a general setting, member setting, or WLAN setting, or even advanced setting. You can set up your wireless SSID. You can set up channel, output power, everything. In addition to this, in the feature setup, you can also go to the device management, and you can go to the AP groups. You can create a group and put all the AP into the group and push the configuration to multiple access points simultaneously. It's very convenient and it saves a lot of time. So next we talk about the schedule. You can find the schedule on the device management. So you can do the reboot. So you say the day and time. Probably weekend, nobody there. You can just reboot the AP. Or the midnight, just reboot the AP. Or you can do the SSID scheduler, like from 9 to 5. Like during the office hour, you have SSID broadcasting. But after that, no one can see the SSID. So the next is active client. So you know all your client information. You can find the active client on the monitoring. So it gives all the detailed information, including the name, the IP, the MAC address, the OS, and what band, and what's the throughput, TX power, RX power, and what's the RSSI signal strength. It gives you idea. It's very useful information, especially when you do the troubleshooting. Network topology. Excuse me. You can find the topology field on the visualization. If you have, you require this EnGenius switch in order to show the topology field. So you can see there's a switch and multiple AP connect to it. So the green one is show you how many devices connect to it, connected, and also all the IP address and the AP's name. And by the left click, you can go to the device configuration or groups configuration. You can remove the AP or even reboot the AP if you want to. So the wireless client statistic, you can find on the statistic. It gives you all the information about your wireless client, especially how the traffic, the bandwidth it download. For example, Xbox One here, it download the most bandwidth. And also we support real-time throughput. So you can see the real-time throughput for the AP. If the throughput is not like normal, it's like up and down so frequently, you can kind of tell something going on the AP. So you can maybe just go to the AP setting and check the device even before the problem occur. We also support the capture portal. The capture portal, as you guys know, if you guys need a simple splash page, we support here, and you can do the splash and go or easy mass authentication. We also work with third parties called Cloud4Y. If you want to use the Cloud4Y service with easy master, you can do that. So in this case, it's the Motel 6 customer. They just put a logo and some message for the customer and turn off use. And you can always redirect to the page after the splash page. Okay, that's all the easy master user interface I want to show you today. And again, I want to appreciate your time to join the Sky EnGenius EnSky solution webinar. So we running the promotion with straight wave. So basically, when you purchase any combination of 5 EnGenius AP and switch, you can get a free SkyKey. So Angela and we will send detailed information after the war.
Yes, thank you. We'll leave it open for questions at this time. If there's any questions, like I said earlier, please go ahead and type them in the chat box or the questionnaire box, and we'll get them answered. During your presentation, there was a few questions that did come through. Someone was asking, what solutions can the Wi-Fi app support?
So the Wi-Fi, that's a good question. So the Wi-Fi app can support EnSky solution. Basically, the series I just showed you, all the EWS, ENH, EAP, ENS. Yeah, that's all the EnSky except the cloud solution. Everything else Wi-Fi support.
Okay, great. Is there a cost associated with EnGenius Network Management Software EasyMaster?
Excuse me. Okay, so EnGenius EnSky solutions, no licensing fee, no subscription fee. So as long as you buy the device, you can just use without any additional costs.
Great. Okay, I'm not seeing any other questions at this time, so I do want to thank you, Eddie, for doing the presentation for us on behalf of EnGenius and everybody else that attended. If there are any questions at all that do come upon later on, please go ahead and either contact StreakWave or EnGenius, and we'll gladly get those questions answered to you guys. We'll also be sending out an email with the webinar recorded sometime by this week, and along with the details about the promotion, as Eddie mentioned. Eddie, again, thank you very much. If there's anything else that you wanted to add, please go ahead and say that before we end today.
Oh, no, thank you, Angela. I appreciate your help. Thank you, everyone.
All right. Yep. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.